Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this bob blonde hair right here. The hair actually came with free lashes and is in the length 14 inches. The hair is 1B613 and it's 150 density. That's the cap construction. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back in case you want to secure your hair with the elastic band as well. The elastic band is also included in the cap as well. So that's me just installing the hair, and I applied the got to be glue on my head, to lay down the cap. Then I cut off the excess cap. So I showed you guys what the wig looked like on my head before applying any gel or glue. The hair is really full and I'm wearing the cap size medium. I cut off the excess lace of the wig and I applied the got to be basting spray on my head with the got to be glue to secure the hair. There is no need for you to do that because the hair is actually glueless, but because I would love to wear this hair for a few days, so I decided to lay it down with the got to be glue and the got to be blasting spray. But depending on you, you can decide not to use the got to be glue on the hair or anything at all. You can use just the elastic strap. After applying a layer of gel on my head, I also applied tiny bit of the blasting spray on my forehead and I blow dry it to get tacky, so it's going to lay down really well. So next I placed the wig lace on the areas that I applied the glue and I tied my scarf on it, to lay the hair down really flat. After that I removed the scarf and I styled the hair. I also showed you guys all the hairstyle that I would go for wearing this hair, and also the hair comes with a generous parting space. And if you guys notice from the unboxing of the hair that the hair actually came with a center part straight from the box, so in case you're worried about plucking your parting, there is no need for you to do that if you're the type that like center part. Also, if you're the type that like baby hair, there is baby hair around the perimeters of the hair, both front and back. And I also showed you guys how you can part the hair. You can part the hair anywhere you like. You can do the center part, half part, anywhere you like. And also I did the center part and showed you guys how I use the hot comb to press the hair down a bit, and I did the center part, half part, and depending on what really suits you guys, you can just go for any part you like. But in this case I tried the center part first and I decided to apply the powder on it just to make the line more visible, and I press it down with a flat iron. Is it a flat? No, hot comb. I press that down with hot comb. But if you're the type that doesn't like baby hair, that's fine. But if you like baby hair, you can go for baby hair as well. But in this case I just went for this teeny tiny baby hair. But depending on you guys, you can style it anyhow you like, so that's not a problem at all. I also decided to straighten the hair a bit just to give the hair a bit of dimension. I didn't really do much with this hair at all, and bear in mind that you can curl it, you can tongue it, you can do anything you like with it. But in this first style I just straightened it a bit to give it more dimension, and that's all I did so far. And voila, look at that guys. I am loving it and I'm feeling myself. I'm just joking. Anyway, I love the hair and I love the length of the hair. The hair is really soft to touch, and also I went for the half up half down style as well. I don't know if this really suits me, it makes me look so funny, but guys, this is just me. You can do whatever you like with the hair since you can style it anyhow you like. And also I did half part as well, and this is what the half part looks like on me. I think I prefer this part, maybe because of my round face, but I really like this part a lot. And after that I decided to go for another style again because the hair is so versatile that you can style it anyhow you like, which is why I am showing you guys the style you could go for with the hair. And as mentioned earlier, the hair is really soft, so I decided to coil it again. Like guys, I'm pushing the hair really far so that you guys could know how much the quality of the hair means to me. So since this is the last final style that I showed you guys in this video, guys, please comment down below and let me know which of the style you guys prefer, or let me know which style you would go for if you're wearing this wig, because it's so versatile that you can style it anyhow you like. So that's it for now for the styling. Please stay tuned for the review, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this bob hair right here. The hair is actually 14 inches and it's silky straight from the box, and the hairline has also been pre-plucked straight from the box. I really like how soft the hair is. The hair is really soft, and the hair can be curled, long, straightened, styled anyhow you like, so depending on the look you're going for. But the major thing that I really like about this hair is the fact that the texture of the hair is really amazing, and I love the fact that the hair curls really well. You guys can already tell how well the hair took to curls. I only had to use the straightener once on the hair. I achieved great results with the curls, which I'm really loving right now. The hair is actually 14 inches and it is also true to length as well. I actually like the fact that you can style the hair anyhow. I showed you guys a few of the styles that I would go for with this hair. One thing that I really noticed about this hair that I really love a lot is the quality of the hair. The quality of the hair is absolutely amazing, guys. Look at that. You can already feel from the texture of the hair that there have been no tangling, shedding or matting up at all. I could strand my eye, you know, I put my hand through the hair many times and there have been no shedding or tangling. Another thing that I really like about this hair is the color, guys. Look at that. Love the two-toned color, guys. Look at that. The color combination of the hair at the top right here is just absolutely amazing. Another thing I really like about this hair is the fact that the cap fits me so well. You don't have to apply glue or gel on the hair if you like. You can already tell when I wore the cap of the wig that it fits in so perfectly. It's like it's knocked to my head, but I just decided to apply gel on it so I'll be able to wear it for 2 to 3 days. And another thing that I like about the hair is the fact that the hair is so soft, guys. Something I really like about the hair is the fact that the hair was well cut in a in a way that the bob fits me so perfectly. In most cases I've always thought that bob hair don't fit me or suits me, but I think I'm really loving this one right now. It has actually changed my hair game. Like, guys, look at that. Look at that. The hair was cut in a way that it was very easy for me to curl the hair and for the hair to stay in place. And look at that, guys. I love the length of the hair as well. The hair is just, I also like how full the hair is. It's 150 density, but it's really full. Despite the fact that it's 150 density, the hair still felt really light on my head. Like, seriously, guys, this is so amazing. I love the hair so much. Another thing that I really like about this vendor is the fact that they do free shipping worldwide, and their delivery is like really quick. It took like 2 days to get here in the UK, and they also have loads of affordable hair on their website, so I can assure you that you'll find something within your budget, because the website have loads of hair with affordable and reasonable prices. And with this one that I've got on me, the quality is just amazing. So I can assure you that if you get one of their hair, you thank me later. So another thing that I love about the hair is the fact that, because most people always complain about straight hair, especially with blonde hair, that they shed or tangle, they mat. There has been nothing of such so far. As you guys can tell from when I was styling the hair, there was no shedding, there was no tangling, and there was no matting up at all. I ran my finger through it so many times, but there has been nothing whatsoever. Another thing I really like about the hair is the fact that if you're not sure of how to part your hair or anything, the hair also comes with a center part straight from the box, which I showed you guys while I was unboxing it. That for me is a bonus, because if you get your hair and you're in a hurry to go out, you don't want to stress yourself, just cut the lace, comb your hair out, and you're good to go without having to worry about anything at all, because the elastic strap in the back at the back of the hair is enough to secure the hair. I'm actually wearing the cap size medium, and it was just so perfect that I didn't need to cut out extra lace. I know sometimes a lot of people panic about, oh my days, what if the cap is big or small? All you need to do is to send them the measurement of your head before placing your order, so they'll be able to customize the wig based on your cap size, but but for me, in all wigs I wear medium, so this medium is just the perfect one for me, that I don't need to cut out any excess lace. Another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that it has baby hair around the perimeters of it. So if you're the type that like baby hair, you are in for a treat, because there's baby hair around the perimeters of the hair, both front and back. So if you want to have the hair up like an updo, there's also comb at the hair at the back of the cap for you to, you know, be able to secure your hair. Right now I am loving it. I'm always a type that is always shy away from blonde hair or bob hairstyle, but this one has actually changed the game for me, guys. It's a game changer. Another good thing about this hair is the fact that if you're tired of wearing the hair blonde, you might as well, you know, change the color of the hair if you like. You might use the watercoloring method, which is the easiest way to color your hair, and you have another color in 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. How amazing is that, guys? Very, very nice. And another thing I really like about this hair is the fact that it's that kind of blonde that doesn't need any purple shampoo or toner or anything whatsoever. It's that kind of blonde that you just bring out of the box and wear it on your hair. No yellow tone to it whatsoever. So that for me is a bonus, like a proper bonus, because if you're the type that doesn't know how to use toner or not sure of how the purple shampoo works, then this is definitely a must have for you guys. Like, you don't have to worry about spending your money on purple shampoo or toner or anything, because the hair does not have any yellow tone or brassiness to it at all. Like, guys, you can already tell from the camera that you don't need any toner or purple shampoo on this hair whatsoever. So that for me is a no-brainer. Like a blonde that you bring out of the box and you wear it and you're just good to go. Like, how amazing is that? I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. It's really soft and it's silky to touch. Look at that. And it's very full. For 150 density, I am loving it. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.